Oh man, they remastered Command & Conquer, the video game of my youth. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Command & Conquer has been remastered, and one of the things that you might forget about Command & Conquer is that, it came out in the 90s. I think it kind of hit its stride like late 90s, maybe 2000. Anyway, it was an awesome RTS game. I played it a lot in college and loved the game. Now, what I think we forget sometimes is how bad the resolution was. In our mind, it's kind of like thinking back to classic cars when we were a kid, that they are better in our memories than they are in actuality. And one of the things that Command & Conquer had going for it is it was great when we had, 900 pixels, but now we have 4K, 3-4 times as many. And what they did is they went back to the original files and they rebuilt the thing. Now, I will tell you, I've got a widescreen here. I am recording this in the jankiest way possible. I apologize for that. I said apologize. I always try to slaughter that word just to be funny. And so you're kind of missing, 20% on either side because of the widescreen. So I have to do this with kind of the wide angle lens. And I just could not get screen recording software to work with the game. It would always either close the game. I'm not even sure how guys are getting the screen captures of it. So again, like I said, it's totally lame, but I want to show you what they've done here is they've converted it, remastered it for the 4K high resolution world here, and I am just super excited because it's everything I remember. Now, I will say, and I'm gonna go here to hard because this is gonna be short. Comes with Command & Conquer and Red Alert, which is absolutely fine. But my favorite was Generals. It had kind of the best technology. Now, you can play the games, they have a story where you can go through, but I just love the skirmishes here. So, it's hard to see because I have my camera set up right here. But I'm just going to go ahead and try to bum rush the enemy here. And I just basically wanted to show you that this game exists again in the real world. I am stoked. Hey, if you want to download it, I got mine at Steam, which is the first computer game I've bought in a long, long time. And I will tell you that the other problem with video games is that they have a tendency to suck a lot of time and kind of be addictive. There we go. Oh, man. Come on. Come on, kill him. Come on! Fire, fire, fire!
Affirmative.
There we go. Yeah, baby. Can I win this thing right out of the chute?
Acknowledge.
Yeah. Speed. I can't remember what Joe Tedai said, but it's like what do you call it? Speed and violence of action. That's what I bring. Oh, he's trying, dude. I hate this. I hate when you get killed by these fast production guys here.
Acknowledge. Affirmative. Acknowledge.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose. Alright, this is pretty painful, but you can see I was distracted by playing for you on screen. Otherwise, I would have just gone ahead and demolished a hard AI opponent here. But like I said, I don't remember what it is, 20 or 30 bucks, and it's worth it. The risk is you're going to get immersed in it, addicted to it, and kind of, lose all your connection with society because you love the game like I do. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description. It's remastered for the modern world. And I love it. Peter Von Panda. Out.